So today it will from who speak? Sebastian. Sebastian. So which we are talking about Gonzalo's what? Gonzalo's concept. To do what? To restore golden age. What is golden age? When Saturn, you read Saturn in last previous class. Remember Saturn? Saturn is the god of what? God of battle and war. Saturn's wife name was Venus. The child was Cupid. Remember? When Saturn used to do the art was full of beautiful things. Okay. Art was full of beautiful things. So he is saying that if this rule will be applied to the art, no war, no business, no policies, no politics, then the golden age will do what? Will return. Now look here. Sebastian, no marrying among his subjects. Among his subjects. That everyone understood there should not be any business, but there will be no marriage also. Antonio, none, man all idle. There will be no marriage. All the men will be what? Idle. Godless and godless. So there will be no war, there will be no marriage. So there will be no heredity. Gonzalo, I would with such perfection govern, sir, to excel the golden age. Where it is written, I would. Write down. Write down. I wish. Written. With such perfection govern means with such perfectly governed country. With such perfectly governed country. Sir, to excel to golden age. Excel means to rise. But here you write bring them. So if such rules will be applied, such theories to be followed, what will be brought back? The golden age will be brought back. The golden age will be brought back. It is a kind of joke that is cracked. So this type of joke what we call mock or satire. Satirical. So satirical. Because in socio-economic condition, will anyone approve such kind of country without God? You are present last time. You read that what? You saw the video. Video is being uploaded every time, so those who are absent they can watch what is the class. And I am trying to make it become live. So what is being taught to us exactly that one of the course. Yesterday. Oh boy, yesterday. Sorry. I love you. Yesterday actually it was too late. There was no bell rang late. Almost 11:45 the bell rang. Then 52 minutes. Next. Antonio, Sebastian, God save His Majesty. Who's the His? Who's the His here? This Gonzalo. God saves Gonzalo's Majesty. Majesty means kingship. Let the King Gonzalo live long. You can write the easier meaning. Let King Gonzalo live long. Done. Can you switch up the fan? So sound is from there. Okay. Shall I continue? Antonio long live Gonzalo. Are they appreciating Gonzalo or mocking Gonzalo? To your reminder, I am telling you that Gonzalo in the last episode did what? He dreamed of a country. And in that country, what would be there? There will be no job, no work, no politics, no business, no marriage, and nothing. What will get from nature, that will take, otherwise you die. That is his concept of country. Gonzalo, and you marked me, sir. You marked me means you listen to me. Written. Alonso, Priti, no, you should talk nothing to me. Priti means, I pray you or I request you, no more. No more random talk, no more. You do talk nothing to me. That means, kindly do not talk to me. Because what Gonzalo is speaking, that is kind of nonsense to this character. They are fighting Gonzalo a nonsensical character. So he is saying that, please don't talk anymore. You keep quiet. Now, after that, what will you do? We will skip few lines which are of no use and will straight away come to the very point when Ariel will appear with new plans provided by his master, Prospero. So we'll start from this line again. We'll start from line number 187. Is it? That is, enter Ariel, invisible, playing solemn music. Solemn means actually peaceful. Actual meaning of solemn is holy or sacred. But here we cannot write, a host cannot play sacred music. So here we will be using peaceful, quiet, sweet. As you know, this fellow before also he sang once, remember? To that Ferdinand. He sang a song, and Ferdinand was almost shocked. Sebastian, we would sow, and then go a bat fowling. What is bat fowling? Right now, catching birds. What they will do by catching birds? They will feed their stomach by catching birds. Antonio, nay, good my lord, be not angry. When this little name, write out yes, my lord, Sebastian, be not angry, don't be angry. There is some problem. What happened? All these characters feeling very sleepy. They are feeling extremely sleepy. Gonzalo, no, I warrant you. Warrant means assure you. What is being warranted or what is being assured? That he will not be angry. So kindly write down, he will not be angry. I will not adventure my discretion so weakly. I will not adventure, it is written already, I will not adventure means I will not risk. My discretion means my respect or reputation, so weakly means so easy. Give a star and write down. Being a king, don't write being a king. Being a royal fellow, being a royal character, he would not go bird hunting and spoil his character. Since the nobles, since the nobles used to hunt big animals. Remember, in old days, in our local language, we used to call Mrigaya. Have you heard Mrigaya? Mrigaya means what? This king along with his nobles is go to forest and kill the tiger, big size animals. Not for eating, that's for fun. So they will not kill birds and spoil their reputation. Will you lock me asleep, for I am very heavy? For it is written heavy, write down drowsy. D-R-O-W. Drowsy means feeling. He is feeling extremely sleepy. Next. Antonio, go sleep and hear us. Now all sleep except Alonso. You will find the term all sleep except that is written in Roman, not Roman tilted. Is it? Italian. Okay. So that is one information provided by the writer. That should be in bracket. When it is written all sleep except Alonso, that should be in bracket. All sleep in bracket. Except whom? Except Alonso, Sebastian and Antonio. These three gentlemen did not sleep. Now they sleep not because of only tiredness, but because of magic also. That is what that is called? Conspired by that very host. Okay. When a magic is going to be done from the bed, it is called conspired. Conspiracy, conspired. Okay. And when it is done for entertainment, it is called performed. Magic performed and magic conspired. What did I say? Conspired. Alonso. What? All so soon asleep? I wish my eyes would themselves. That means I wish my eyes would with themselves means I would also like to sleep. I wish I would also sleep with them. Or I would accompany them in sleeping. Written. Let's move further. Next. Shut up my thoughts. I find them inclined to do so. Shut up my thoughts means, write down. The thoughts are thoughts are too heavy. The thoughts are too heavy to make him sleep. Okay? Actually, when we are in too much tension or think too much, we cannot sleep. So he is saying, shut up my thoughts. Let thoughts be vanished. Shut up my thoughts means, let the thoughts be shut up or vanished. Silent. Where is it shut up? I don't silence also. Written. They are inclined to do so. Inclined means ready to do. Thoughts are already going to get over. Next class, I think we have a last class. That is completed.